Welcome back. Today friends, in this video I will discuss you MCQs that will be related to microbiology subject. So we will start. Question number 1. Bacteria can cause pathogenesis to human by which ways bacteria can cause pathogenesis? Options are capsular, secrete enzyme, endogenous toxins, exogenous toxins, and all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. All above options can cause pathogenesis to human. Next question is function of pili of the bacteria. If you know the structure, there is a pili, then what is the function of that? Options are attachment to the host tissue, movement, reproduction, engulf of food, all of the above. And the answer is function of pili of bacteria is the attachment to the host tissue. Next question is bacteria motile gram rods are gram negative rod. Options are Shigella, Bordetella, Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Yersinia pestis, and the answer is Pseudomonas aeruginosa is motile gram negative rod. Next question is strict aerobe bacteria. If you have someone will ask what is give an example of strict aerobe bacteria, then you can give example Mycobacterium. Next question is one is always non-motile gram negative rod. In options are Haemophilus influenza, Shigella, E. coli, Salmonella, Bordetella, pertussis, and the answer is Shigella. Mostly they will ask you difference between Salmonella and Shigella is also that Shigella is non-motile gram negative rod. Next question is one is motile gram negative rod. Options are Haemophilus influenza, Bacillus anthracis, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Vibrio cholera, Yersinia pestis, and two answers are correct: Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Vibrio cholera. Next question is one is gram positive cocci, and the answer is pneumococci. Pneumococci is gram positive cocci. Meningococci is gram negative cocci. So the correct answer is third option. Pneumococci is gram positive oval, or we can say that coccus shaped. Next question is a child diagnosis shows scarlet fever. The cause is scarlet fever is caused by which microorganism or caused by which bacteria? Options are Streptococcus pyogenes and Staphylococcus aureus, and the answer is Streptococcus pyogenes. Streptococcus pyogenes causing scarlet fever. Next question is xylose lysine deoxycholate XLD is that XLD media is which type of media? Options are selective media, simple media, differential media, enrichment media, and the answer is differential media. XLD media is used as differential media. If you know the cultures or medias used in microbiology department, then you always remember XLD is used as differential media. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 10 is one is not a Roman Vasquez stain. Option field stain, gram stain, Giemsa stain, Leishmania stain, and answer is gram stain. Gram stain is not Roman Vasquez, but all other are Roman Vasquez stains. Next question is best sterilization of nutrient media is done by options hot air oven and autoclaving, and the answer is autoclaving. Best sterilization of nutrient media or any type of media, best sterilization can be done by autoclaving. Next question is bacteria arranged in Chinese letter. This is very important question. Mostly they will ask that which type of bacteria will show Chinese letter in arrangement. Options are Corynebacterium diphtheria and Bacillus anthracis. Answer is Corynebacteria diphtheria. Next question is confirmatory test for Streptococcus pneumonia. Options are catalase, optochin, coagulase, bile solubility, bacitracin, and the answer is optochin disc. That question also very important. Next question is gram positive cocci arranged in clusters. Clusters options are Streptococci and Staphylococci. Answer is Staphylococci. Staphylococci will be arranged in clusters while Streptococci will be arranged in chain. Next question is one is always oxidase positive. Options are Haemophilus influenza and Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and the answer is Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Pseudomonas aeruginosa is oxidase positive organism. while Haemophilus influenza is oxidase negative. Gram negative bacteria color will be, when you will use gram stain, then in microscopy gram negative bacteria will show which color. Options: dark purple, pale to dark red, orange, and the answer is pale to dark red. And gram positive bacteria will show purple color, but gram negative bacteria after gram staining will show dark red color or pale to dark red color. Next question is, bacteria need dark field microscopy. This question also very important. It will always ask that which bacteria can be detected by dark field microscopy. Answer should be Treponema pallidum. That is the main causative agent of syphilis. Next question is, citrate test assist or citrate test helps the diagnosis of. Options are mycobacteria, staphylococcus, streptococcus, and clostridia species. And the answer is, next question is nutrient agar. If anyone will ask you give example of nutrient agar, the answer is basic media. Next question is disease caused by pyogenes streptococcus. The answer is scarlet fever. Already we discussed. Organism cause bloody in stool. Stool mostly caused by Shigella species. Next question is Zn stain used for diagnosis of. Answer is Mycobacterium. And if any, which media is used for? Last question was media used for differentiation between lactose and non-lactose fermenting. The media is Mcqs agar. Mcqs agar is used to differentiate between lactose and non-lactose fermenting bacteria. Next question is, for cleaning slide we will use which reagent? The answer is methyl alcohol. Next question is, the following is ingredient of culture medium. Answers are meat extract, mineral salt, agar, peptone, none of the above, all of the above. And the answer is all of the above. Meat extract, mineral salt, agar, peptone, these all are the ingredients of culture medium. Next question is, the most source of ATP cell is adenosine triphosphate is called ATP, that is energy source that we'll get from. Options are mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleus, cell wall, and answer is mitochondria. Next is, H antigen is present in which part of bacteria? Options are pili, capsule, flagella, and cell membrane, and answer is flagella. H antigen is present in flagella. Next question is, selective and differential media of enteropathogen is chocolate agar, blood agar, DCA medium in deoxycholate agar, and meat extract agar, none of the above, and answer is DCA medium. Next question is, one of these is prokaryotic cell, fungi, bacteria, and amoeba, histolytica, all of the above, and the answer is bacteria. Bacteria is prokaryotic cell while all others are eukaryotic cells. Next is substance used in catalyzed reaction. Which substance, the reagent or substance used as catalyzed reaction to increase the speed of reaction? Answer is H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. Next question is, the best sample for culture of children paralysis viruses. Options are anal swab, blood culture, stool culture. Answer is stool culture. Next question is, all of the following is true for salmonella except motile produce H2S oxidase positive. Salmonella is oxidase negative while other two are correct. The next question is, the best media for urine culture is. Options: blood agar, chocolate agar, clad agar, cysteine lactose electrolyte deficient agar, and the answer is clad agar. The best media for urine culture is clad agar. Now we will go to the next questions. The sterilization of autoclave, that is very important question. Always they will ask about temperature and time. 85 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, 150 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, 120 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. The answer is 121 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Next is Shigella sonic colored in Mcqs and EMB anger. It will show colorless red, pink, and the answer is pink. Next question is, all of the following bacteria are enterobacter except E. coli, Proteus, none of the above, and the answer is none of the above. These both are not enterobacter, both are enterobacter. And Sorry. None of the above are Enterobacter. Next question is all of the following parameters affecting gram staining except options were all of the following parameters affecting gram staining except use of H2SO4, add absolute alcohol after washing and delaying the dryness of the slide. Answer was delaying the dryness of slide. Next question is blood sample used to diagnose Clostridium tetanic and Cronibacterium diphtheria, and none of the above. Answer is none of them. Next question is serious that cause food poisoning, means serious that causes food poisoning. Options are staphylococcus, salmonella typhi, salmonella enteritidis, and the answer is last option, salmonella enteritidis, causing serious food poisoning. Next question is which of the following cause UTI and indole positive? Answer is E. coli. E. coli is UTI and indole positive. Options were Klebsiella, Staphylococci, E. coli, and the answer is E. coli. Next question is which of the following causes, this question already we discussed. And next question is one of the following is capsulated bacteria. Options are Streptococci, E. coli, Klebsiella pneumonia, and the answer is Klebsiella pneumonia. Klebsiella pneumonia is capsulated bacteria. Next question is, I think if I will discuss more questions with you, I will become more tired for speaking anyhow. Next question is the following organisms are lactose fermenter except. Answer is Proteus species, E. coli, Enterobacter, Shigella. These all are lactose fermenter, but Proteus species non-lactose fermenter. All is true about Enterobacteria except. Answer is inhibited growth with 6.5 NaCl and or at temperature. Other all are correct. Next question is all are true of Campylobacter jejuni. Which of the following statement is false? And the answer is grow on XLD medium. That is wrong, that they will not show growth on XLD medium. Next question is beta hemolysis is enhanced when group B streptococci is streaked and at an angle in blood agar plate with. Answer was staphylococcus. Next question is all of the following are all statements are true about Proteus and Proteus vulgaris except. Answer is positive to indole test, they are negative to indole test, and other all options are correct for Proteus vulgaris and Proteus mirabilis. Next question is Klebsiella pneumonia is capsulated. Already I think we discussed this question. Next question is some organisms are said to be pathogenic if they are containing following features. Coagulase positive is correct answer. If they are coagulase positive, they are considered as pathogenic feature. This will be considered. Sterilization best temperature is 120 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. Organism soluble in bile. Answer is pneumococci. Streptococcus pneumonia is soluble in bile. Next question is specimen suitable for microfilaria parasite, that will be blood. You will see in blood smear microfilaria. Next question is which of the following organism is an anaerobic bacterium, and that also very important MCQs. Answer is Clostridium species. Clostridium is strict anaerobic bacterium. Next question is nutrient agar or nutrient media is basic media because it is containing just basic media ingredients. Next question is the following organisms are encapsulated except Haemophilus influenza and Streptococcus pneumonia. These both are capsulated while others are encapsulated. And VI antigen is seen in capsule. Before we read about H antigen, that was in flagella, but VI antigen is seen in capsule. Next question is all are true about Enterococci, Streptococcus faecalis except that they do not grow in presence of 6.5 NaCl, not at 45 degrees centigrade. Significant bacteriuria, pyuria and alkaline urine probably indicates UTI infection due to. This will be Proteus. You will see a nitrite positive like that strip. So it will show Proteus vulgaris bacteria. It will indicate. Next question is Streptococci responsible for the majority of human infections are Group A. Group A Streptococci are responsible for the majority of human infections. I hope MCQs are going to complete or I think finished. We will see. Actually these MCQs I found from Google and it was then I just make screenshot and I edit and I am sharing with you because I feel these MCQs will be helpful for your not only for your exams but these MCQs are giving you general concept also about your work in lab related to microbiology department, because sometimes these MCQs will help you also in the diagnosis also. Okay, next question is which of the following statement about Campylobacter jejuni is false? Answer is growth on XLD medium. Next is the invasiveness of Streptococcus is due to production of polysaccharide capsule, as we told that it is capsulated. And last question is agar is characterized by all of the following except nutritive, except that other all features or characteristics are correct only. So I hope you people will not be tired, but I am tired of speaking, and these MCQs are completed here. If you have any doubt, please watch this video again. Underlined answers are correct answers and options also you can see. I will meet you with new video or lecture as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for comments also.